Hi, Andrew Littlejohn Johnson, attorney and founder at Littlejohn Law, here with a quick video on how to read a car insurance policy. Now, everybody's policy is different, but generally you can look for a couple of things. And when you're looking at a policy, if you don't have anything in front of you, ask your insurance company for something called a declarations page if you're looking just to find out what coverages you have. Or if you need to know terms within that coverage, ask them for the full policy or the contract. And on another video, I get deeper into the types of coverages, but what you want to look for if you were involved in a car wreck or you're worried that you might not be protected enough because you don't have enough insurance in case you're at fault, is look at the liability coverage. The minimum in South Carolina is $25,000 per person, $50,000 per wreck. Check that out. Also, you want to look at your uninsured and underinsured coverages. Your uninsured is almost always the same amount as your liability. Your underinsured is helpful in a situation when the person who hits you doesn't have a lot of coverage. So when you're looking at your policy, look specifically for those declarations of coverages. Some policies have initials. I know that State Farm has unusual initials. I think W is for underinsured coverages. And then if you're looking at your policy and you want to know whether you have PIP or MedPay, that should be at a very specific part of your policy below the other coverages. I know that USAA sometimes, not on purpose, hides that coverage and it's difficult to look within the document. Regardless, when you're looking at your coverages, it's important to know what the definitions are for your permissive users, for your Class 1 insureds, and your Class 2 insureds. It's also important to know and understand who is listed as not permitted to drive under your policy, especially for someone who has kids at home who are of the driving age. And the last thing I'll say is, if you got questions about this or you're not sure about your policy, the first person you should call is likely your insurance agent. If you have more questions about your policy and you already have it on hand, feel free to give me a call. I'm happy to look it over. If you have specific questions, if it's related to a car wreck, I'm happy to speak about that as well. Whatever that case may be, I look forward to speaking with you.